Hi, I'm Craig Schaumbacher, Interactive Director with Blue Hue. We have some more audio and video production tips for you today, shot with our consumer level camera. For other marketing tips and information, visit us on our blog or at bluehueinc.com. And for those of you watching the series, yes, I do own more than one shirt. Thanks for watching.
A major concern when you're shooting ambient noise. Mountain Dew, coffee, we love it. The problem is that extra noise, that fan noise, the music, the conversation in the lunchroom, all gets in the way of your message. If I move over, even 5 or 10 feet, the further back I go, the background ambient noise level drops. Find yourself a nice quiet room, find an opportunity to get out of the conversation, get out of the hallway, find the place you can shoot. And maybe during lunch in the lunchroom, maybe that's not a good idea either.